So this is what Khago had to say about Gully Bop, which started this whole mess.
Self, Khago. Yes, Khago, respect yourself. See? And the next thing, people, the always are so we mad again. People look on Gully Bop and the mad man that then take out and throw on new clothes for him and use him next day and dash him away. I say the man them a work for him not supposed to get paid, but him should have one good little friend beside him or one good little family member will make sure say yo, we have a bill one room for him. You see everybody a come and talk about Gully Bop living in car. Gully Bop. They say me mad, and then say you mad. You know what I go on, Gully? Me a come to Jamaica anywhere you're there. Anywhere you're there, man. You have to stop sleeping at your vehicle if I show. Anywhere you're there. My lady now gonna have no problem because we don't live at my house. I come for you and put you up. You can live at my house till you get back on your foot, youth. See? And if you think a joke, Gully Bop, drive go down a Mandeville and go in at the town and ask for the youth to sell CD you name Father Hype. Me I say it make the world here and another forward nor no hype where I look after it. Them say you're mad, Gully Bop. Go down a Mandeville, see, and make Father Hype open up one side of the apartment and give you youth. Me soon forward. That me I try to tell you, Gully Bop. You understand? People know the amount of artists dead. And a government have to bury them. That not happen to me, That's why I'm glad me find a good wife, and say, me clean. A king size bed this me, And that me I try to tell you, One of the things that me I got surf or something mash up. No. Nah, surf or something mash up, man.
So this was Gully Bop's reply on November 12th at 9:17 a.m. I see that the artist Khago has opened up his home to me. Big up to Khago for that. It's alright though, my good brother. My good punctuation mark. One love to everybody. See you all soon. I'm busy in the studio. But see you all soon. XXX. I guess that reply wasn't good enough for Gully Bop. Wake up this morning, they cuss Khago, and this is what he had to say.
Boy, Khago, man, so good Khago, me no fuck, man, Well on, come up, Khago. Me just want to say something to Khago. Me just want to say something on the internet and the Khago get this. Khago, if you have a entourage of youth where you put in your house, a Mandeville, and I fuck them one. No, fuck your mother, Khago. Don't fuck with the Bop. You wait. Come up, thing. Yo, you know why me come from blood clot like this, man? More to say that message go be so good, Khago. Khago don't start for me, Khago. Khago, with the blood clot, Khago tell people about for living in blood clot house, Amandeville. Khago, go suck your mama, Khago. Khago, no tell Khago the street. Tell Khago say, Khago have a entourage of little youth them fuck off a Mandeville. Khago, go fuck your mother in her mouth. Push the wall. You have up online at about say, but now live now here, boy, you want put me in your house. Batty boy, you can't put me in your suck good boy. Khago, never style you wicked. Khago, never style you wicked. Khago, don't try blood clot style me. Push the wall. Me tell you some more something. Go to the batty boy, man. Big batty boy that in a dog. You introduce man to come live in your yard. Pussy suck out blood clot, Khago. Khago, me don't want nothing. I just got my company life is this morning, dog. Cause somebody come to me this morning.
I personally didn't see anything negative that Khago said about Gully Bop in the video, and me and my husband watched the whole video that Khago did. And Khago isn't the only one that said Gully Bop no live nowhere. Enough people at Jamaica say Gully Bop no live nowhere. So for him to actually go on Facebook Live and diss up the man in the most way and talk about the man mad and talk about how the man a batty man and all sort of same thing is very disrespectful. Anytime I see people like that, you know they're not going away. Them not going away. I don't want to say anything negative about anybody, but for someone to just come out and they talk such ill will of somebody that didn't say anything bad about him shows you the type of person Gully Bop is and why he go nowhere. He must stay exactly where he in there. As soon as I rise, no say you can't fall. When you dig one grave, make sure you dig two. Khago need to actually worry about himself and him career and don't worry about people like Gully Bop because honestly Gully Bop no mean himself or Khago no good because all this is doing is showing how ignorant Gully Bop really is and why he can prosper and shine. You know how much people they root for Gully Bop? Everybody at Jamaica they root for Gully Bop and to see now how the people rooted for him and see what he did with his fame and fortune when he actually had some was disheartening. Okay? But no, nobody no want hear him or see him in the go on with the most things on social media and the diss people. Like it's so uncalled for and unnecessary. And if you stay in the studio and stay off social media, that's exactly what he needs to do. But even if he build a good song in at the studio, no, nobody now go on hear from him. Nobody now go on hear anything he has to say because he's very ignorant and people already write him off a long time. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you have to say about this story. Tell me if you think Khago did wrong if you call up Gully Bop name. Tell me if you think Gully Bop overreacted or Gully Bop just ignorant and fool. Tell me what you think about Gully Bop's career. Tell me what you think about Khago's career and what will happen to their careers. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man.